onya po echefu ya. But that my own, I did not even forget to believe me, I did not forget to. So when I remember how that because I stayed like 2 months, I don't get takeover from YouTube. Although I know it's a normal thing. If you do not even posting regularly, you can even stay like right. But still like 2 months, my channel did not play any ad. And do you know the fact that the what I don't I will tell people to avoid to for their channel to be demonetized is when your channel is demonetized, whenever you try to monetize it again, it will just look like a new channel. It will just be like new channel. Why is it new? The the videos you made when you get monetized, you posted it. All those videos, the revenue is gonna be very tiny. Those videos I made when I got monetized, because when I got monetized, I did not allow it to bother me. What I was doing, I was still making video and posting to keep my channel moving. And YouTube doesn't even share my videos again. No, when you get demonetized, you will see that YouTube doesn't share your videos again. They will not share your videos. You post, your video will be there. Even if they do share it, people are watching it, but you're not going to get anything from it because it's not monetized. And later, when you monetize, you will see that that video will be like when you are not monetized your channel and you are making a lot of videos before you get monetized. The revenue used to be too tiny. Sometimes you will see one, 2, 3, 4 cents as a revenue. You know, when I talk of, I'm not talking of even revenue. See, RPM, the RPM, the RPM used to be very tiny. You can see like 60 cents as RPM. When you have 60 cents as RPM, that means that's what you're going to get in 1,000 view. You see, in 1,000 view, it is terrible. Yeah, it is terrible. Very, very terrible. Just like when you have not money, you just monetize newly. All those your videos. Hmm. Let somebody not pray for demonetization. It's too painful to have. It's too painful, just like starting newly. And people who do abandon their video, their channel, and leave it for until they get monetized again, people will just leave you and go and run away. It's like when you get monetized, you begin to look for your subscribers again, begin to look for them and tell them, I am back, oh, come, oh. I'm back, oh, come, oh. Just like that. So we are going to be very, very extra careful if you want to keep our channel. Want to be careful. I'm very, very sorry for that, for your the experience. Yeah. YouTube doesn't use hand or eye to see all those kind of copy and paste videos. You go and get, and that Donald Trump video is going viral. People are watching it much. Yeah. So, and many people are going to get demonetized because of that particular Donald Trump videos. Because there was a time the demonetization was running on the YouTube platform. Everybody will say, I am demonetized. So everyone, they were crying. But this time around, it's like it reduces. It's reduced. It have reduced. But there are some people who have luck anyway. Say initially I didn't want to post to, oh, you see, I know. Sometimes it's tempting. You see, it's somehow tempting. Mostly when you don't have video to post. You say, okay, let me use it to make my channel to start be going. Yeah, but that be going, you see that yeah, you will see that that be going will even bring you down again. That going you are looking for now, it will now bring you down.